Lindsay, hi.
Hi, everybody.
Hi, you guys. My name is Lindsay. I'm with Perfectly Pastry, and I'm here today with my daughter. We are going to do a demo video on how to make American buttercream, vanilla American buttercream at home. We bake all of our products in a commercial kitchen, and they are not prepared by me. I am not a pastry chef. My mom is the professional pastry chef. Hold on. But I want to show all of you guys that you can easily make American buttercream at home, and you can do it with the help of your kiddos. It's super simple. My kids and I love to make it at home. So we are going to get started. Again, not a trained professional. I just want to show you that you too can make it at home. This is not a commercial kitchen. This is at my house, but all products are baked in a commercial kitchen. Yes, ma'am?
Peanut butter sandwich.
A peanut butter sandwich, she says. All right, so today we're gonna start with the whip attachment. Let me make sure it's on here. No, the whip attachment on our machine here. All right, so this is what we're going to use. That is going to add the air to the American buttercream icing. Yes, ma'am?
Peanut butter sandwich.
Okay, the American buttercream icing, so that it'll make it light and fluffy if you wanted to actually pipe, okay? So today we're gonna do a recipe that's a 2-to-1 ratio. So it's,
That's a drink.
yeah, so you're gonna have 2-to-1, meaning powdered sugar to butter.
It's a big one.
It is. Okay, you ready to tell them what we're gonna do? So we have our vanilla, we have our butter, and then we have our powdered sugar. As you can see, we have 2 sticks of butter, and that's because 2 sticks of butter equals 1 cup. That's right, we don't need those. And then we have 2 cups of powdered sugar, and then we have our vanilla. Now, typically recipes should be standardized. Hold on 1 second. And should be done in ounces versus cups. When you do it as a standardized recipe and do it in ounces, weight is more precise than cups. So keep that in mind. If you want to make something consistently, use ounces and not cups. Most of you guys probably don't have a scale at home. These are for here, but we're not going to use these, okay? Let's tell everybody how to do this, okay?
And first we need that.
Oh, first, okay, we're almost there, okay?
And then we need this one.
Oh, and then we need that one.
And this one was mixer.
So one of the really important things is to use room temperature butter. It
Yeah,
needs
and
to be
we-
soft. Tell them it needs to be soft.
And then we need the powder.
Yeah, so it needs to be soft because this is very delicate and it can be damaged. So my butter,
And it's gonna be hot.
yeah, so my butter's been sitting out overnight, okay, to make it nice and soft.
And then when the hood is gonna hurt my finger.
Yeah, when you touch it, it hurts your fingers. See, we're learning kitchen safety. Now, if you don't want to use butter, you can use shortening. The thing about shortening is it puts an, hold on one moment, it puts an odd
And this
coating on your tongue. Can you give us just one moment?
can I talk?
Okay, go ahead and tell them.
And then we mix the powder on the bowl.
We are. We're almost there, okay?
And then we use this drink
Yep.
and the powder.
Okay. So one of the other things is we don't use any milk in our American buttercream, and that is so that it will have a 30-day shelf life. It doesn't need refrigeration. Hold on. It can actually be left outside in the container without refrigerating.
And when the chocolate milk spill on my head, it will hurt my head.
Oh no, for 30 days. If it looks like it's starting to separate or it's not as fluffy, you can throw it back in here with the whip attachment and whip it for 10 minutes, okay?
Mommy?
Yes, ma'am. Well, actually, I'm gonna have you pour the stuff in. Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, so we did a teaspoon of vanilla. Watch this hand, okay? Great job. And as you can tell, we already have all of our ingredients out. This is called mise en place. It means to put into place. It's so that you don't forget ingredients, especially when you're making stuff in the kitchen with your kiddos. It is so easy to get distracted and be like, oh no, did I add that yet? When you mise en place, everything is right there. You're not going to forget anything. Busy kitchens are the same issue. All right, you gonna help me? So now we're gonna pour in our powdered sugar. All right, so we have done this before and we whipped it. Hold on. They like to turn this button here, and so you want to make sure it's on low because if not, it's going to go everywhere. We have done that before. So we're going to lock it in place. And let's turn it on really low here. All right, so we're gonna start by turning it on low. Keep your fingers out, okay? And the reason we're gonna turn it on low is we want to try to help the butter incorporate with the powdered sugar so it doesn't fly everywhere. I see it. So we're gonna give it just a few minutes here to incorporate, and then we're gonna stop it, and we're gonna kind of poke it out real quick to help finish off. It is. Do you see how the butter is starting to mix with the powdered sugar in there? Yeah. So we're gonna turn it off for just a moment here. We're gonna raise this up. We're gonna push all this out of here, and as you can see, it's starting to gather up here together and incorporate. Yeah. We're gonna get it off the sides. You only should have to really do this one time, just to kind of get it worked in. And again, like I said, you can do this at home. Yeah, and when you do this at home, this means you don't have to buy that nasty store-bought icing anymore. All right, so go ahead. All right, so the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna turn it on high, and we're gonna whip it for 10 minutes. So we're gonna come back and show you guys what it looks like. Hey everybody, so we are back. Go ahead and turn it off. We waited our 10 minutes. Miss Sloan here has been very impatient about her 10-minute wait, huh? All right, so we are going to take the bowl off, as you can see here. Nice and fluffy. I'm gonna bring this icing a little closer so you guys can take a look at it. I don't want it to fall on me. Can you sit here nicely? And as you can see, it's nice and fluffy. You want to taste it? Put your finger in and take a bite. How's it taste? Was it yummy? It is good. Nice and fluffy.
No, we need the bowl.
We need a bowl now?
Yeah,
So stop buying store-bought and start making it at home. I will get you a bowl. All right, you guys have a wonderful day. And a spoon. Say bye. I just wanted to hop on, show you guys. I'm just storing it in my Pyrex bowl. Again, it has a 30-day shelf life, so I can actually sit it out. It has no milk, and so it can sit out on the shelf for 30 days. If it starts to look flat, I just put it in there, 10 minutes, re-whip it, we're good to go. All right, bye guys.